Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake bites. Beat cream cheese until smooth, then add sugar, egg, and vanilla and mix gently to avoid overbeating. Spoon crust into mini tins, press firmly, and fill with cheesecake batter. Top with fruit or chocolate before baking at 325 degrees F. Let cool, then chill for best texture. These bites are perfect for parties and easy to customize. Start by combining graham cracker crumbs with melted butter and a pinch of salt, mixing until evenly moistened. Firmly press a teaspoon of the mixture into each mini muffin liner to create a uniform base that holds together. Bake the crusts for a short time at 325 degrees F to set them, which prevents soggy bottoms when you add the filling. Allow crusts to cool slightly before filling to maintain shape. For a silky filling, beat cream cheese and sugar until no lumps remain, then add 1 egg and pure vanilla and stir gently to combine without overmixing. Spoon the batter into each prepared crust, filling about 3/4 full so bites stay compact. Bake at 325 degrees F until centers wobble slightly when nudged. That indicates a creamy interior. Cool on a rack before chilling to finish the texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.